Morning, Tone. While you were slaving over a hot microwave, I went ahead and started making the creation for today. I muddled some garlic and some anchovies. Now some egg yolk. We're gonna go back to that cheese that you thought was fake. You're supposed to use Parmesan, but I figure, you know, you gotta use what you have in your kitchen. That's realistic, you know. It's that cheese he said I didn't have there, that a Torquay sheep's milk cheese. So this is like an aged Parm almost. So that we're gonna use a little Grey Poupon. Some people measure. I don't know. All right, this is gonna be a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of sea salt. They mix the two together. I like that, and also fresh ground pepper. All right, and then let's see. See how we do this? All right. Oh yeah. Holy cow, it smells great. And then, instead of using an orange, again, we have grapefruits in the house, so I'm going to improvise. And who doesn't love grapefruit, fresh grapefruit? Look at this stuff. Beautiful. I pluck out the seeds with my finger. Knock it right out. This smells so good. All right. This is going to be great. Look at that. I'll finish it and show you the rest of it later. Have a good day.